And we have a working lamp circuit. Hi friends, let's build a closed circuit with a switch to connect and disconnect our lamp. Let's get started. First, we simply load our battery pack. Putting the negative terminal onto the spring and push it down. Whoop. See, the little nub has a positive and the flat part is the negative, which goes against the spring. Whoop. Then we see that we want a lamp, 3 volt, 0.2 amp lamp, but we need a snap wire to connect it into a circuit, which mysteriously sounds like circle, with the same root word, right? So the electricity needs to flow around the circuit. Let's put a 3 snap wire under there, but it's left open. So we need a way to close and open our circuit. We're closed, really curiously and peculiarly, is on, and open is off. Because if we were to close and open it with just our hand, give another 3 snap wire. If we close this gap, it connects the circuit. And if we open it, it's disconnected, right? So our switch does the same thing as this little switch I made with my hand, called a hand switch. This is a manual switch because manual means something we do with our hand, like French, main for hand, or Spanish, mano. The root of that word is something with our hand. So here's our manual switch we control with our hand. And voila, a working lamp circuit. Have fun building and inventing, and I will see you next time.